Hey everybody, Justin Caldwell here from Caldwell Equipment on Main Street in DeSoto. I wanted to tell you I'm super excited. The Hustler Spring Sales event has just started and we've got extra rebates and discounts on all of the Hustler Raptor family models. And I've got a couple models right here behind me in the 42-inch that are just a really great buy. With the extra discounts, you can take home a really nice, well-built mower with a heavy fabricated deck and get extra discounts. It's the best price we've seen so far this spring because of the event. So I'll show you these mowers. Okay, the first one is the Raptor XL. This is a very popular model, and you'll notice one of the features on the Raptor XL is that it has flex forks standard. So the flex forks is this black torsion bar fork. It actually has some give to it as you drive, and that allows you to really smooth out your ride and get a nice smooth ride. I'm going to also show you the Raptor X model. The Raptor X and the Raptor XL are very similar models. They're the same frame, same transmission, and the same tire size. There are a couple differences. You'll notice that the seat's a little bit taller on the back of the Raptor XL. The engine horsepower is 20. Almost told you wrong here. The engine horsepower is 21 and a half on this machine. It's 18 on this machine on the 42-inch models. The flex forks are standard on the Raptor XL. Both of them had some discounts. While this one's got $150 off, the Raptor X has $250 off, and man, it really gets the price tag down there. So both of these machines mow 2.39 acres per hour. So even with a compact size like a 42-inch, you can still mow over 2 acres in an hour with this machine, which is incredible. They both have the same solid welded frame and removable foot pan. I'm going to zoom in on the price here and kind of show you how this works. On this payment, this tier here for the pricing, you can do 0% for 48-month financing. The middle tier here, you get a little bit of a discount for paying on a credit or debit card. And then the bottom tier is cash. So it'd be cash, cashier's check, or there's a 0% for 6-month plan where we can honor the cash discount. Now you take the extra $150 off of any tier you choose, so it gets you a discount no matter how you want to pay for it. Now the financing is very simple. It only takes a few minutes here in store. I'm going to go ahead and show you this Raptor X model. I mean, first of all, you get a really heavy built machine on a budget. So basically, the pricing works the exact same way as I just described, but you take $250 off of any of these three payment methods. And man, you get a really great model. You get a really great model for a small price tag. So I mentioned the financing is fast and easy. Our staff here can get you in and out, usually in about 10 or 15 minutes on financing. So we do all of that right here in store. And we also have a service plan that if you have your mower serviced by us once a year, you can actually keep 7 years of coverage on your mower, which is unheard of. You can't get 7 years of warranty anywhere else. So give us a call at 636-586-9607 or look us up on our website, caldwellequipment.com. Thanks a lot. See you soon.